So we'll see question number 12. A and B can do a work in 20 days and 30 days respectively. A started the work alone and then after 5 days B joined him till the completion of the work. What is the total number of days taken to complete the whole work? So we'll see the working. So A takes 20 days to do a work and B takes 30 days to do a work. So you may get questions like when A lives in half of the work or B joins half of the work. So we'll see how to work out those type of questions. So for this, find LCM for time taken, so which will be the shortest way to work out the questions easily. So A can do a work in 20 days and B can do the same in 30 days. So LCM for 20 and 30 is again 60. So we'll assume that there are 60 toys to be made. So assumed work is so here work is 60 toys. If A can do the work in 20 days, in one day, A can do 60 by 20, 3 toys. And in one day, B can do 2 toys. So both working together, A and B, in one day, they can do 5 toys. So here the question is, A starts the work and after 5 days B joins him. So A in one day can do 3 toys. He is working alone for 5 days. So in one day if he can make 3 toys, in 5 days he can make 15 toys. So 3 into 5 equal to 15. So in this 60 toys, A has done 15 toys in first 5 days. And now the remaining toys are, which has to be done, 60 minus 15. So work here is 45 toys have to be done. Now at this time B also joins him. So when both work together, they make 5 toys per day. And to make 45 toys, so they need 9 days. So A and B together, to do the remaining work, they need 9 days. So we are asked to find time taken by all the 3 in this condition to do the whole work. So first, A works for 5 days alone and makes 15 toys, and then B joins, and to do the remaining toys they take 9 days. So altogether for the whole work, so they need 14 days. Now answer for question number 12 is option A, 14 days. So the shortcut here is, again find LCM for 20, 30 and that is equal to 60. So assumed work is 60 toys. If A can do in 20 days, he can make 3 toys per day, B can make 2 toys per day and both can make 5 toys. A works for 3 days alone, A works for 5 days alone making 3 toys. He is doing 15 toys in 5 days, and remaining 45 days at this time B also joins him and they complete the remaining work in 9 days. So to do the total whole work they need 5 plus 9, 14 days. So question number 13. A and B can design an application software in 10 and 15 days respectively. They started doing the work together, but after 4 days A left due to illness. So the remaining work was completed by B in how many days? So we'll see the working. So question number 13. So A can do the work in 10 days and B can do the work in 15 days. So here they are designing a software application So but we will take LCM of 10 and 15 as 30 and the work here as 30 toys. So LCM of 10 and 15 is 30. So assumed work is 30 toys. So if the total work is making 30 toys and if A can do it in 10 days, in 1 day A can do 3 toys and in 1 day B can do 2 toys. So both working together in 1 day, so they can do 5 toys. So in the previous question, question number 12, we saw that A started the work and after a few days B joined. So in this question, both start the work and after a few days A leaves the work and we are asked to find time taken by B alone to do the remaining work. So both start the work and after 4 days A leaves. So when both work together, they can make 5 toys per day. So both are working for 4 days. So in 4 days they would have done 5 into 4, 20 toys. So as both have done 20 toys, after 4 days, 30 minus 20, 10 toys remains. So now the work is 10 toys. So at this point, A leaves the job and B is completing the remaining work. So remaining work here is making of 10 toys. If B can do in 1 day 2 toys, to make 10 toys he needs 5 days. So for remaining work, that is 10 toys. So as B can do 2 toys per day, he needs 5 days. So for question number 13, answer is option B, 5 days. So the shortcut here is, again find LCM for time taken. For LCM for 10 and 15 is 30. In 1 day A can do, according to the assumed work, A can do 3 toys, B can do 2 toys, both can do 5 toys per day. So both work together for 4 days. So in 4 days they can make 20 toys. The remaining 10 toys is done by B alone. If B can do 2 per day to make 10 toys, he needs 5 days.